so many people who could use a program like this. Do we want to focus on, like, who do we think this is really going to help?
Personal opinion, families with children, that is a priority, because it's not only themselves, but, you know, also someone who doesn't really have a say-so, but is caught in a situation. I never really imagined that I would be a grassroots leader. When I was younger, I know I wanted to do something for a bigger cause. But along the way, things have changed in my life, and maybe that light got diminished. You know, we're identifying so many students in CPS. The thing is getting the students to come forward. So along the way, participating, now it's like, yeah, this is the calling. This is what needs to be done. This is what I need to be doing. You know, just getting the information to them and their families that the school system knows about.
Yeah, Brian, these are like exactly the types of questions that we want to think through during the workshop. If you might be able to attend or someone else on your team could also be really helpful.
Okay. Whether people feel the need to say, hey, we appreciate you, absolutely, no problem, but it's not about that. It's about doing what you have a passion to do and making a difference.
When was the last time someone said to you that they appreciate you?
A real change to help people. Okay, apartment, be nice till I get back. I've had opportunity to seek employment. Right now, I'm in the CTA Second Chance program. 2 minutes. So I'm working currently with CTA. I'm employed, so I have the means to obtain housing, whether it would be through the housing system or it'd be at fair market price for myself. I can do that now. So the barriers that once existed, especially by me now having credit and rental history, it's better. Working and advocating, it is a lot. I mean, I work night shifts, and that's 8 to 4:30 in the morning, Monday through Friday, well, through Saturday morning. Working a night shift is demanding, it can be, but I face worse challenges. A lot worse. To eat.
Every day at the shelter where I work, we see up to 335 people experiencing homelessness come through each night. That's not right. I see and feel the pain of the people behind that number.
You know, I'm beginning to feel stable. I visited that in my mind the other day, and I just took a step and a pause back and looked from day one, and I'm starting to see the pieces of my life come back. Slowly but surely. Well, really, it hasn't been slowly. It's been rather quickly.
Homelessness is caused because there is systemic issues that need to be corrected. Is that right?
That's right.
City Council, we are calling on you today to pass this ordinance, put it on the ballot, and bring Chicago home so that people like that.
When I was homeless, I didn't feel like I existed to the world. And as a matter of fact, for the most part, I didn't. You have a tendency to want to hide.
All right, this man don't need no introduction.
So when you start rebuilding your life, that confidence starts to come back.
I'm gonna look at the people, how's that? Almost 70% of those who are unhoused live in communities like mine, in black communities.
Yes.
And it is well past time that we prioritize the interests of working people, but especially those who've been harmed the most. No tricks, no divisive tactics are going to separate us in this moment.
I'm enjoying life again. I got this chance. Grateful to have this chance. Now it's a sense of hope.
Bring Chicago home. Put it on the ballot.
I had a counselor, I asked her a question. I said, what do you think my biggest problem is? And she told me, she said, why are you being scared to walk in the shoes you were meant to walk in? And I had to think about that a long time.
All right, y'all, let's go.
A long time, and I pondered it. What was holding me back? Every day that you wake up, you can change whatever it is you want to change. And once you get over that fear of stairs, once you get over this up here, you can change that.
This video raises questions, and I need for you to be extremely honest in the comments when answering them. And just so you know, I have 3 questions. Number 1, what do you think of when you hear someone say, grassroots leader? Number 2, who would you like for me to do a video on next? And number 3, what are your thoughts about this video? Please share them in the comments. Now, please be honest in the comments when answering these questions. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.